and then tomorrow, you reply to that tweet. That's what he told me. Because apparently, he has a team. Meron siyang social media team that helps him. And I asked him, sino yung social media team mo? Gusto ko malaman. Kasi siya yung nagpaplano dito sa love team na to. Sabi niya, ayaw niyang ipakilala sa akin. So ako, para akong tanga na hindi ko alam kung sino yung nagpaplano para sa atin, tapos susunod ako. Pero anyways, dahil nga akala ko yun yung tamang gawin dahil wala akong alam sa showbiz. Sumunod ako. So the next day, nag-tweet ako. Nag-tweet siya, nag-tweet ako. Dahil sabi niya. So the next day, na nag-tweet na ako, tumawag siya, pupuntahan kita, sunduin kita, kailangan natin mag-usap. Okay, sinundo niya ako at nag-usap kami, nasa sasakyan kami, pupunta ako ng Makati. Dahil magkikita kami ng mga friends ko. Hahatid daw niya ako, pero kailangan namin mag-usap. So, ang sabi niya, do you really want this love team to work out? You know why? Because I told you to tweet. Ang tweet ko, ito. Pero ang tweet mo, ito. Dapat hindi. Dapat nag-reply ka sa tweet ko. Dapat nag-reply ka sa tweet ko. Sabi ko, sorry. Hindi ba dapat yon? Hindi ba? Akala ko kasi sabi mo, magti-tweet ka, magti-tweet din ako. Sabi niya, hindi. Dapat magti-tweet ako, mag-reply ka sa tweet ko. Or vice versa. Pag nagkamali ako, I'm sorry. Basta ganun lang yon, vice versa. Ako dapat nag-tweet or magre-reply ako sa tweet niya, parang ganun. So, ang sabi niya, do you really want this love team to work out? If you don't want, then say it. Sabi ko, wait, I do. But at the same time, I don't know what's happening, and at the same time, I want a career for myself because I entered PBB because for myself and for my family. It's not for my love team. Bago ako pumasok ng PBB, ang sabi ko sa mga staff, ang sabi ko sa lahat, ang sabi ko kay Big Brother, hindi to pinalabas. Ang sabi ko kay Big Brother, ayoko pong mag-date kasi may dinedate ako sa labas. Pero hindi kami exclusive. Malabo. Hindi siya pinalabas. So, ganun yung nangyari. So after that, I talked to the guy, and then we ended up separately. Tapos, binigyan ko nga ng, just like how I said it inside PBB, I gave him a chance. So I gave him a chance, and that happened, and then tweeted, hindi ko nasunod yung gusto niyang tweet. Lasing ka lang, hoy. I am not drinking. Oh my God. Sino nag-comment? So yun nga. Alam ni Art, alam niya nung mga kasama ko sa PBB na ganun yun nangyari. So, yan. So, yung mga nakasama ko sa Big Four, Batch 4 was the people, those were the people that knew how it was hard for me. And ilang beses ako umiyak sa kanila kasi sobra akong nahirapan talaga. Sobra akong nahirapan talaga nung time na yun. And even, you know what? Sabi ko, di ba usapan natin sa loob na magbabonding tayong lahat paglabas? Surprisingly, he didn't want to bond with everyone because like, he even told me, sabi niya, ano ba yung meron sila? Wala naman silang plano, so hindi sila sisikat. Parang ganon. And, well, I believed in my co-housemates from the very beginning. And, yeah. So, that's what happened. And, so yun. Dito si Arjun. Ang lakas ng ulan, grabe. So that experience for me was very hard because I wasn't able to tell anyone about it. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na walang nakakaalam kahit management ko, kahit family ko, kasi hindi ko masabi kasi akala ko yun yung tama at akala ko ako yung may mali kasi hindi ako sumusunod at wala akong plano. So akala ko, bas mo ng PBB, dapat may plano ka sa showbiz. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman alam kung ano ba yung galawan dito sa showbiz eh. Hindi ko na, alam mo yun, parang hindi ko talaga alam. So parang kailangan pala apparently may plano ka. Parang ganun. So, after that, finally, sinabi ko, hindi ko na kasi kinaya eh. Kasi, okay, I'll spill the tea. Another tea is that when we were inside PBB, meron kaming love team na kasabayan. So, may love team kami na kasabayan na nandun din, kasabayan namin mag-mall show. So, for him, they were a rivalry. Kalaban namin. Pero ako, mahal ko yun eh. So, hindi ko siya kalaban. For him, kalaban yun. Dapat matalo natin sila. So, eventually, parang at first, sabi niya, mabait pala sila. Hindi naman natin pala kailangan kalabanan. Sabi ko, mabait naman talaga. Hindi naman talaga. And wala dapat competition kasi friend ko sila. So, parang after that, meron siyang proposal, business proposal, na 4 kami, yung dalawang mag-love team, ng BBB 8, love team, nasa dressing room kami. Itong kasama ko, meron siyang, I have a business proposal. Sabi niyang ganon. I have a business proposal. We make a YouTube channel. Parang Gold Squad. Hindi ko alam, sikat daw yung Gold Squad ng mga panahon na yun eh. Dapat para tayong Gold Squad. Na 4 tayo. Love team. Join force. Tapos, delete nyo lahat ng YouTube nyo. Tayo lang yung may YouTube. Ganyan. Tapos nagtinginan na kami. Kasi parang, Parang ganon. Wait lang. Meron silang sarili nilang YouTube channel. So after that, umuwi ako, hinatid niya ako, kasi gano'n naman yung nangyayari, hahatid niya ako sa bahay. So, nung nandun naman sa condo, hinatid niya ako, nasa parking lot kami, sabi ko, I'm not comfortable with that. Yun ang una, do you think they would delete their own YouTube channel for your idea na dapat isa lang yung YouTube channel nating 4 na magka-love team, 4, diba? Sabi niya, yes, para sumikat tayong 4 kasi pag nag-join first time, 2 mag-love team, ganyan. Sabi ko, wait lang, hindi mo sila mapadelete. Kahit ako, bago ako pumasok ng PBB, meron akong YouTube channel. Yung YouTube channel ko na yun, bata pa lang ako, gumagawa na ako ng cover, pinaghirapan ko yun, kahit di maganda yun, para sa akin, pinaghirapan ko yun eh. Tsaka, ang dami na rin nag-views dahil nga nasa loob ako ng PBB. So, sabi ko, I don't want to delete my own channel para lang sa plano mo. So, sabi niya, okay. Kung gusto mo kumita ng pera ng sarili mo lang, o di sa'yo na. Talaga, na-hurt talaga ako. Sabi ko, oh my gosh. Sabi ko, mukha ba akong pera? Hindi pera pinag-uusapan dito, YouTube channel ko. Hindi ko i-delete yung YouTube channel ko para lang sa plano mo. So, nag-walk out ako. Yun yung sinasabi ko na ilang beses kami nag-away. Nag-walk out ako. Umiyak ako pag akyat ko. Kasi sabi ko, hindi naman to pera-pera lang eh. Diba? Hindi to pera-pera lang. So, sabi ko parang, okay. Ano to? Sino nandito? Walking out the window. I'm telling the truth. Okay. So, hindi to pera-pera lang. Para sa akin, hindi lang siya YouTube channel. Pero pinaghirapan ko siya. Pagkatao ko siya na, okay, yung pagkatao. Pero ako yun na, syempre, sarili kong YouTube channel yun, di ba? Na sabi ko, bata pa lang ako, gumagawa na ako ng cover ko, tapos gusto mo i-delete ko para lang sa idea mo na dapat join first yung dalawang love team. Parang gold squad daw, ganon. So kaya ako nag-walk out. So dun nanggagaling yung away kami ng away. Hindi talaga kami nagkakasundo. Sabi ko, baka kasalanan ko ba na hindi kami nagkakasundo? Kasi baka hindi ako business-minded enough. Baka hindi ako matalino enough. Baka hindi ako mayaman enough to think these things na kailangan pag showbiz ka, nandito ka. So, sabi ko, okay. Pero, you know what? Nakatulong yung mga tao around me na kasi nga nung una, wala talaga akong sinasabihan eh. Tapos, after nun, nagkalakas na ako ng loob kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya kasi, my God, pag sinabi kong talagang nababaliw yung utak ko, nababaliw talaga yung utak ko kasi andun yung, naglalaban yung may moral compass. Wow, may moral compass. Naglalaban yung utak ko tsaka yung puso ko na naglalaban yung utak ko tsaka yung puso ko kung ano yung tama. So, wala akong pinagsabihan nun. Tapos, after a while na, tatakot din kasi ako magsabi sa mga tao sa paligid namin na nasa industry. Kasi baka ganito talaga o baka mali ako. So, nung finally na sinabi ko sa kanila, nagulat din sila na ganun pala yung nangyayari pag kaming dalawa lang kasi ayun, hindi nila in-expect na ganun pala ang nangyayari behind closed doors. And it was very painful for me. It came to a point na even my mom and I had to we fought a lot because of it. Because I was telling my mom, sabi ko, Mommy, huwag mo na siyang kausapin. Mommy, don't have any communication with him because he hurt me so much. Pero no one really cared. I mean, no one really knew. They cared, but they didn't know what was happening for me, with me and him. So that was the truth. And then, alam ko may Christmas party ng PBB nun. Ito yung mga sinabihan ko na yung mga boss namin na, okay, hindi na ako talaga masaya po sa nangyayari. Ayoko na po nang ituloy yung love team na to kasi hindi talaga po ako masaya. Sabi ko. Siguro masaya kasi may mga project, ganun, pero hindi ako masaya na pinagtatambal kami tapos pag nakaharap, wow, alaw. Pero pag kaming dalawa lang, nag-aaway kami na nag-aaway. Kasi buti na lang, malakas din yung loob ko na magsabi kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman ko. So for all the girls out there, if you feel like you have to say something, say it. Kasi, minsan nawawalan ka ng lakas ng loob kasi parang nauunahan ka nauunahan ka ng mga taon, or nauunahan ka ng mundo. Hindi, ito yung tama mong gawin. Pero pag naramdaman mo talaga na hindi ito yung tama, paniwalaan mo yung sarili mo na So at the end of the day, tama pala yung naramdaman ko na hindi pala tama yung ginagawa niya. Ito yung sasabihin ko, maybe for him, that's right. Iba kami. Pinalaki ako ng magulang ko na simple lang. Hindi kami mayaman. Wala kaming malaking kumpanya. Wala kaming ganito. Sobrang, alam mo yun, lola ko nakatira sa Tondo. Habang nasa UST ako, nakatira ako sa Tondo. Hindi kami mahirap. Pero hindi rin kami mayaman. Normal lang kaming pamilya. At hindi rin ako naghangad ng sobra-sobra para doon, alam mo yun. So para sa akin, kung ano yung, sabi ko talaga, kung sino ako nang pumasok sa PBB, gusto ko ganun pa rin ako. Pero nung lumabas ako dahil nga doon, parang nagbabago ako kasi parang nagiging planado lahat ng galaw ko. Kahit yung lola ko, alam niyo yun, dumating sa point na parang lola ko, medyo nag-conflict kami kasi basta, no one knew what was happening to me. Siguro my close friends. The people that sinasabi nyo na nandito sa comment section. Sila nakakaalam ko ano yung pinagdaanan ko. Pero, alam mo yun, ayoko kasi magdamay ng tao, syempre. Alam mo yun, I respect them. Pero, finally, it feels so good to tell the truth. Hindi ko alam eh. Actually, sabi ko, mag-vlog ako. Pero paano yung vlog ko? Kunwari, ini-interview ako? Or kunwari, sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya. Ayoko na magplano. Sa PBB naman, hindi ko naman pinlano lahat ng mga yan eh. Alam mo yun, sabi ko nga, Big Brother, ayoko pong mag-love team. It was hard. It was hard. But at the same time, I'm saying, he's not a bad person. Maybe ganun lang siya talaga as a person. Iba talaga yung mundo. Iba yung mundo niya, iba yung mundo namin. For him, business, totoo naman, if it's a business, you should plan your way. Maybe he would be successful. That's why he had his own series. And that he even told me this. Nung during pandemic, nagbalikan yung piano at nag-post sa Facebook. He reached out to me, he asked me, do you want to continue the love team? Kasi sayang yung fans. Sabi ko, of course. Wala akong problema to work with you. It was just you that was weird. Sabi ko, whenever we work, parang awkward, ganun. Walang problema sa akin yan. Sabi kong ganun. So he reached out to me and then ganun. And then nagtuloy. So nakita nyo, nag-post. May pa-Zoom. Pero yun. He had his own plan. And then he told me actually, nagkaroon siya ng 2 series with a famous kapamilya actresses din na, you know what, for me, oh my God, gandang-ganda at sobrang talented ng mga kinuha niya. Kasi naging friend ko rin sila. Hindi naging. I know them. And like, hindi ko masabing friends kasi hindi naman kami close. Pero one of those actresses that he worked with in his series, nakasama ko siya for a time. Or nakasama ko siya. And super nice. Sabi ko, oh my God, sana maganda talaga yung mangyari. Kasi nothing against the actresses. God, great actresses. Pero, parang, sabi niya, you know what? Yung mga series na ginawa ko, it was supposed to be you. Kasi nung pagkalabas ko ng PBB, nagplan talaga ako mag-produce. Kasi nga, producer siya. Nagplan ako mag-produce ng series natin, pero hindi nag-work yung love team natin kasi ganito. So, hindi ako nagsisi na hindi ako nagka-series kasama siya kasi if it, like, you know, kung ang kapalit nun ay ang mental state ko, okay na akong hindi magka-project. Okay lang talaga. So, ayun. He really wanted to act and he really wanted to produce. He wants to be a businessman, he wants to be a producer. That's what he told me, okay? I'm not talking for him in behalf of him. I'm not. That's what he told me. I'm stating the facts. I don't know why I'm actually saying this. This is unplanned as in. Tignan niyo naman yung itsura ko. Ang gulo-gulo ng itsura ko. Bumabagyo po sa loon yun. I may regret this or not, but at the same time, masarap sa loob na sinabi ko yung totoo sa lahat ng tao kasi I felt like I owe, especially to our fans, the truth. Hindi ko masabi because I didn't want to ruin anyone's reputation. But right now, I realize na I'm not ruining anyone's reputation. I'm just stating facts and just saying the truth na ganun. Hindi naging kami kasi hindi ko talaga hindi ko kaya to be in a relationship with someone like that. na baka hindi lang talaga kami swak. Hindi ko sinasabing masama siya. Hindi lang kami swak talaga. Hindi kami swak. Kasi it was sad talaga. Sad. Everything. But even our TikTok or even our post on the vlogs, ganyan, everything, walang nilabas na hindi planado. So, parang doon ko inisip tuloy na planado ba? But at the same time, hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam talaga. Maybe not. So, even, there are fans that would come to me and tell me na parang, may bad experiences sila, ganun. I can't say anything, I can't say anything bad against the person because I don't want to hurt anyone. But at the same time, I didn't know where I should place myself na pag sinabi ko yung totoo like now, parang maybe I'll be, it was very hard. Anyway, thank you for listening. At gusto niyo yung pimple cream ko dito. So yeah, I'm telling the truth, and finally, when we work together, nung mga lately, we're okay naman. Pero, oh my God, alam niyo yung kung sakasakali na ginawa namin sa Pi Channel, nag-away pa kami. As in talaga. Hindi ko na alam. I just wanna be real because I didn't plan to join showbiz with hindi magpakatotoo kasi hindi ko nagsabi na perfect ako. Hindi talaga. Alam mo yun, may mga hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung yung tama. Kasi minsan pag sinabi mo, nagpapakatotoo ako, tapos yung iba naman sabihin, ay, hypocrite ka. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung saan lugar sa social media. Sinasabi ko na lang yung totoo. Ayun yung na-experience ko. Ngayon, kung kayo na po bahala dun. You should not be saying all this like be professional. I've been professional the longest time, but I think whatever it is that I want to say, the truth, it should be on me. And I should say it whenever I want, how I want it, and when I want it. And if you think it's unprofessional, you can unfollow me, you can block me, please block me, please whatever it is that you need to do, it's okay. Whoever hates me for saying this, whoever it is that is angry with me, it's okay. I am not doing this to gain more followers. I am not doing this to be famous. I'm actually doing this for myself. No, Ken?
Oh.
Because I've had such a hard time, and even my brother, my dad knows it, my mom knows it, my manager knows it, my boss knows it, and it's been hard. And if you don't like how I say it, and it's fine po. I don't need you to agree with me. It's fine with me. Tao lang naman ako. So, kung ayaw niyo yung ginagawa ko, okay lang din naman. Kasi lahat naman tayo. Baka may mga nag-agree sa ginawa niya, may hindi. Sa akin din, may hindi nag-agree, may mag-agree, okay lang. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong meron ngayon. Parang sabi ko yung gusto kong sabihin at ang sarap pala sa pakiramdam sabihin yung mga gusto mong. Yung mga taon mong tinago. So, ayun, maraming salamat sa panonood ng live. Kanina kumakanta lang ako sa live eh. Kanina kumakanta lang ako. Hindi ko alam bakit napunta dito. 'Di ba? Ganon kayo plan. I was singing kanina. And now I'm nagkakwento na. Oh my gosh, Ken. But you know what? Whatever it is, like, I haven't been active on social media. Ngayon lang ako naging active kasi kanina I was bonding with my dad and my brother. Tapos parang sobrang good time, ganon. Kasi umuulan, tapos nagpo-bonding kami dito. Tapos wala kami magawa nga kasi nga may bagyo. Hindi kami makalabas. Hindi kami maka-work. So, I didn't expect it to have, I don't know, if it's interesting. I don't know if it's interesting because that was like almost 5 years ago. PBB was almost 5 years ago and people actually, I think they forgot about it. So, you know, parang hindi ko inisip na relevant pa siya sa panahon ngayon, di ba? Kasi kung relevant pa siya at gusto kong sumikat, my God, dati ko pa sinabi yun. Ito boy, ganon. Diba? Kung gusto ko. Pero, hindi ko na alam. Gusto ko mabuhay ng matiwasay, simple, normal. Normal lang. Ayoko naman maging walang water. Do you want to say hi to them, Ken?
No. I have a music too.
What are you doing? Why? Are you gonna sleep now?
Oh my gosh. Really?
Ken, are you okay? You want water? You want pa? You want food pa? Sorry sa pimple cream. Anyway, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Pasensya na. Ano ba? Hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. Pero, siguro, I wanna take this time to thank yung mga tao talaga na nakasama ko during those difficult times for me. I really didn't know myself. So, sorry sa mga, alam mo yun, parang ganito yung nangyari. Pag kalabas ko, pag nakiharap ako sa mga tao, pagod na pagod yung utak ko. Harap ako sa maraming tao. Tapos pag uuwi ako, sobrang, alam mo yun, yung anxiety ko as in ang taas. Kasi bigla akong iiyak or bigla akong tatahimik. Hindi ako nakakausap ng family ko. Hindi ko alam kung talaga. Pero it was really hard for me talaga to. Kaya ako sinasabi sa mga interview na, kamusta yung after PBB life mo? Sinasabi ko, the adjustment period was hard. Kasi hindi ko matimpla kung paano yung talaga, yung totoo. What about the birthday surprise daw po in Davao? Yung birthday surprise in Davao, planano ko yun talaga. Ako talaga nagplano yun. Totoo yun. Kasama ko si Ate Jo, yung manager namin, yung handler namin. Plano ko yun. Kasi syempre, alam mo yun, parang for me, if my birthday talaga ako, kahit sino man yung my birthday, of course, di ba, at those moments, parang I thought he was just someone special to me. So parang, I surprised him. I bought a cake, ganyan. And then may mga fans na nandun, na Keanu fans. So, sinaman ko sila. Nagkataon kasama sila. Pero plano ko na talaga yon. Yeah. Actually, like, I don't know if it's the right thing that I did this because, like, I'm so scared. I've been so scared the whole time. I've been so quiet. I've been scared because, somehow, si Lou, I've been so quiet. I've been so scared kasi ayokong makasira ng ibang tao or yun yung iniisip ko lagi. Ayoko makasira. Ayoko maka-hassle sa ibang tao. Kaya, isasarilihin ko na lang. Pero na-realize ko nga pala talaga na kung ano yung intuition mo na feeling mo hindi tama. You have to speak up. And there's nothing wrong with speaking up pala. There's nothing wrong with speaking up. And it's been so hard for me to speak up because I didn't want to hurt or I didn't want to hassle or I didn't want to do anything wrong. Because I felt like if I speak up, it's wrong. If I speak up, hindi tama sa fans, hindi tama sa management, hindi tama sa ganito, sa career, hindi. Pero sabi ko, if people are, that's what I keep on telling him, actually. You know what? I went inside PBB. I fought for what I wanted. I went out. I want people to like me kung sino ako. I don't want them to like me just because I'm pretending to be somebody that I'm not. So that's why I'm saying this maybe because I realized na if I lose followers, if I lose people that supports me, it's fine with me because it doesn't affect me at all. If I lose someone that I love, if I lose someone that is important to me, masakit yun. But if I lose a follower, if I lose like supporters because of this, for speaking up, then so be it. Kasi at the end of the day, like, necklace update. Necklace update. Nasa akin pa yung necklace, guys. Sinatago ko yun, syempre. Never ko naman tinapon yun eh. Actually, pag may mga ganap, ganyan, suotin ko yun. Kasi daw parang, alam mo yun, para masaya sila, ganun. I still have it. I will never throw it away. For me, what he did inside, I super appreciate it. That will never change. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate that. And I will never, ever, ever throw that away. Until now, it's with me. It's in Manila. It's in my home. I always and will always keep it with me because, it was something, for me, it was something special. So, um, I'm not saying this because I'm not happy for him. I'm not saying this. Actually, we have no communications at all. I don't know what's happening with his life anymore. So, wala. Like, I wish nothing but the best for him. I wish nothing, lahat ng business niya to succeed. I wish him to be more successful because he's good at it. He's good at it. I just, we're just two different people that came across each other's life inside the Big Brother house. But it remains there. In the real world, it's different. So yung vlog, yung vlog, may nag-comment, ano yung plano mo sa vlog? Wala na sinabi ko na eh. Kasi inisip ko, actually, sabi ko, magbablog ako para may ganito, may mga views, ganyan. Sabi ko, pero hindi ko talaga mag-vlog. Dapat ba ako mag-vlog? Kasi, actually, tamad talaga ako mag-vlog. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-vlog, walang kwenta naman yung vlog ko eh. Wala akong kwenta mag-vlog. So, iniisip ko na yun, sabi ko, okay, dapat pag nag-vlog ako maganda. Pag nag-spill ako ng tea, spill the tea! Yun yung title, spill the tea. I don't know when that time is. I don't know if it's ever gonna come. So, might as well do it now. And, if it's whatever it is that's gonna come in my life, it's gonna come. So, if meron kayong gustong gawin ngayon, gawin nyo na. Kaya matulog na tayo kasi ang tagal ko nang nagsasalita. Good night. Thank you guys for joining my life. Oh my God. Sorry sa mga napuyat ko. Nakakatawa kasi nag-live ako para kumanta. Nag-live ako para kumanta. Oh, asan ka ngayon? 1 hour na ako nagsasalita dito. Huwag na kayo mag-request ng kanta, matulog na tayo, ha? Good night, everyone. I just want to say thank you for listening. That was such a random doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Uy, sa mga nandito pa simula kanina. Grabe. Talagang nanood. Ay, just po. Thank you. Hindi ko ginawa to para lang ma-divide kayo, yung mga supporters namin mag-divide. Hindi, please support him. Like, he's a good person. It's just different. Him and I are different. So, that's reality. So, tama yung sinabi ni Kuya. Makikita nyo yung totoong hamon ng buhay sa labas ng bahay. Dahil sa labas ng bahay, yun yung realidad. At makikita mo kung ano yung mga tao sa paligid, kung ano yung ginagawa talaga, at yung mga ginagawa nila. Alam mo yun, basta magpapakatotoo ka sa labas eh. So, yun yung totoo. At the end of the day, hindi ko ginusto maging artista para magpaka-showbiz. Siguro. Yun yung na-realize ko. So, at the end of the day, this is me. And if you guys would like me for who I am, then I would love that. But if you won't, it's okay. please unfollow and please block me if you want to. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for listening. Thank you to whoever was here. Ano ba yung hindi ko nabasa yung comment ni Lu tsaka ni Arjun kanina. Night, guys. Thank you for watching. So don't forget, sa mga girls especially, wait, am I being biased? Okay, sa lahat na lang. Kasi ayoko, baka mamaya sabihin babae lang. Hindi. Kasi pare-pareho tayo eh. Sa kung sino man yung nanonood ngayon at iniisip nyo na tama yung intuition ko, tama yung nararamdaman ko, may ginagawa ako pero hindi totoo at hindi swak sa moral compass ko. Listen to what you're feeling and listen to your intuition, because maybe it's your guardian angel that's saying this is the right thing to do. So always listen to yourself, and if may mali kang naramdaman, totoo yun. Basta you have faith, you know what the right thing to do, then you're gonna be fine. And you have the right support system. Please have that. Because the right support system will get you through anything. Okay, my loves. So thank you guys. Thank you for listening. This has been me. Ano man mangyari, kung ano man yung mabilitaan nyo sa akin, ito pa rin naman ako. So, grabe yung pinapakanta ako bago mag-end. Ano to? May number. No, I'm not gonna sing na. Okay? So, good night. Thank you guys for listening to me. It's so unexpected. I don't know why I did this. I don't know the outcome tomorrow. Hindi ko alam. Bahala na. Basta good night. God bless you all. And keep safe. Always listen to your heart and your mind. And to God. Kasi totoo talaga. Totoo talaga. So, pag naramdaman yung mali, mali yun. Minsan hindi alam minsan di alam nung family mo yung pinagdadaanan mo, okay lang yun. Or minsan di alam, pag na-feel nyo na hindi sila hindi sang-ayon yung people around you sa desisyon mo, pwede mo sila pakinggan, pero at the end of the day, papakinggan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, iba wala namang ibang nakakaintindi sa atin kung hindi sarili lang natin, diba? Basta alam natin yung tama at mali, diba? So, good night! Oh my gosh, it's been a long live. It's been a long time. Thank you guys. Good night, everyone. And I hope you guys are safe. May bagyo po, so mag-ingat kayong lahat. At ako'y nasa La Union, signal number 1. Mag-iingat po kami dito. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. Ha? Maraming salamat. At salamat sa pagsuporta kay Kiara sa PBB. Hanggang ngayon. Thank you! Good night po. I-end ko na. Pero ang dami pang nanonood. Umalis ka na sa live ko. Kaya ko pa mag-end. I know. Good night, babies.